Hospital lobbies are where people check in for appointments, wait to receive care, or pass through on their way to visit loved ones. Traditionally, hospital lobbies have included a front desk, ample seating, and perhaps an adjoining space to grab a coffee or tea, given its area width of 15 meters and length of 15 meters. The admission office is the patient's first stop when they enter the hospital, where the admission office will be able to assist them to fill up many paper forms, given its area width of 10 meters by length of 15 meters. Drugstore. A drugstore is a shop where drugs and medicines are sold or given out, given its area of width of 5 meters and length of 15 meters. Laboratory area. A room or building equipped for scientific experiments, research, or teaching, or for the manufacture of drugs or chemicals, given its area width of 5 meters and length of 15 meters. In cashier area, this is where the place of transaction of patient bills between the hospital, given its area width of 5 meters and length of 15 meters. Triage, or the first point of public contact with the emergency department. Triaging ensures that the most critically ill patients gets medical attention and priority without delay. It plays a major role during incidents of multiple injuries and mass casualties during the time of COVID, given its area of 15 meters and length of 10 meters. Emergency room. Many beds are present. This is the aid station wherein the injured patients brought, given its area width of 10 meters and length of 15 meters.
Audio Jungle.
Storage area. A structure consisting of an area that has been enclosed for some purpose, usually medical equipment and supplies for the hospital, given its area width of 5 meters and length of 10 meters.
Audio Jungle.
X-ray area. This is the place where radiography, fluoroscopy, and other medical treatment related can be done, given its area width of 7.5 meters and length of 6 meters.
Audio Jungle.
Testing area, where this is the room where injection of medicine vaccine takes place, given its area width of 7.5 meters and length of 6 meters.
Audio Jungle.
Toilet room. When you enter, you'll find first the meal comfort room.
Audio Jungle.
It consists of 2 toilets, with same measurements definitely.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Last but not the least, the female comfort room. This is consists of two toilet rooms as well.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
This is an area of healthcare facility which nurses and other healthcare staff work behind the not working directly with patients and waiting to perform sanitary duties. Given this area of 6 area of
Audio Jungle.
This is the place where everyone can spend their time coping with the process of war. Given this area with a 9 meter and length of 7 meters.
Audio Jungle.
This is a room where a doctor examines and talks to patients, giving this area a width of 6 meters and length of 6 meters. Another consultation room, which has the area of width of 10 meters and length of 6 meters.
Audio Jungle.
This is where loved ones of patients or him or herself can ask hospital business matters, especially about patients' room number or schedule of the doctors, given this area width of 8 meters and length of 4 meters. On the way to toilet room, which has 2 meters wide of hallway. On the left side, if you choose, you'll find first the female comfort room,
Audio Jungle.
which has 2 toilet rooms.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
And the male comfort room, which has 2 toilet rooms.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Consultation room, the same as the two first. This has the width of 6 meters and length of 6 meters as well. This is the room where surgeon and surgical nurses can operate patients' body caused by injuries and many accident risks, given this area width of 8 meters and length of 4 meters. Critical care for hospital patients with serious health problems who need intensive medical care and monitoring, given this area width of 6 meters and length of 10 meters. This way to the toilet room. First, you'll find first the male comfort room, which has 2 toilet rooms, definitely with same measurement. And the last one is the female comfort room, which has 2 toilet rooms also, with same measurements as well. Storage area. This is where medical supplies and equipments were put on hold. This has the width of 7 meter and length of 7 meter.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
This area is a healthcare facility where nurses can perform some of their duties. This has the width of 8 meter and 4 meter length.
Audio Jungle.
Consultation office. Again, this is where doctor can examine and talks to his or her patients. This has the width of 7 meter and length of 4 meter.
Audio Jungle.
In this room, they collect blood and separate into various components so they can be used most effectively according to the needs of the patient. Its width is 9 meter and length of 4 meter. Medicine. As the room denotes its name, so these were the capsules and other medical related stuffs can be found. This has 11 meter width and 4 meter length.
Audio Jungle.
This is where newborn babies were sick and are provided with immediate care including resuscitation, warmth, and initial
Audio
care.
Jungle.
This is a width of 7 meter and length of 7 meter.
Audio Jungle.
Viewing baby area. This is where newborn babies can be seen. This has a width of 5 meter and length of 7 meter. Pediatrics. This is where young adults and kids can have medical consult. This is the width of 5 meter and length of 5 meter.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
This is where women give birth to their newborn babies. With its width of 9 meter and length of 10 meter.
Audio Jungle.
This is where mentally ill patients can have consultation. Its width of 8 meter and length of 9 meter. This is where pathology studies his or her research. With a width of 8 meter and length of 7 meter. Now we are on the way going to autopsy area and morgue. This is where dead bodies are kept before they are sent to be buried or burned, sometimes so that it can be width of 6 meter and length of 7 meter.
Audio Jungle.
Autopsy area. This is where medical investigation takes place, experimenting the corpse. With its width of 5 meter and length of 7 meter. Storage area. This is just like first and second floor. Third floor also have. This is where medical supplies and equipment takes place. This has the width of 4 meter and length of 8 meter. Toilet room. The hallway has 2 meter wide. Female room. This has 2 toilet rooms with same measurements definitely.
Audio Jungle.
The meal comfort room, consisting of 2 toilet rooms as well, and definitely has same measurements with each other.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.